Okay, 1080p 60. Don't mind my messy desk, my messy thing. I have, this is my 16 Pro Max without wind reduction turned on. All right, here's what this Bell and Howell, my second Bell and Howell fan sounds like on low. I know it does that weird jiggle thing. Make sure you wear headphones. Like big over-ear headphones like that. Or if you have earbuds, put them both in. That's low. You know what? Hold on. Let me take my phone case off. That'll be better. There we go. Phone case is off. Ready for medium. Medium, you can really hear the motor hum. Don't know why, it's weird. And I think I'm gonna have to adjust these blades. And here's high. Like, look at that. That's from this. Watch. Low? I'm turning the light. That's 1,000 lumens. Low? Medium. Medium makes it move a little. And high. Wait for it. Wait for it. Here it goes. Yeah, there it goes. I keep it on low because my register. And this is my second lamp because my first one, it shattered. Yeah, lovely. And my second Bell and Howell because this remote decided to stop working 3 weeks after I got it. Out of nowhere. I took the battery out. Nothing. And I'm like, huh. But yeah, whatever. That's it for now. Bye.